Hello and welcome to this channel. Here we break down health myths and uncover the facts. Get ready for some science-backed insights that challenge what you think you know. Let's dive into today's topic.
Today, we're diving into one of the hottest health trends that's got everyone buzzing: intermittent fasting. Is it the real deal or just another health fad? Stick around as we break down the science, the myths, and the facts. For those new to the concept, intermittent fasting isn't a diet in the traditional sense. It's a way of eating that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. Popular methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and alternate day fasting. But how does this work? Well, the idea is that by giving your body a break from constant digestion, it can burn fat more efficiently and reduce insulin levels. Sounds great, right? But with every trend comes a truckload of myths. Let's tackle some of the biggest misconceptions out there about intermittent fasting. Myth 1. Fasting puts your body in starvation mode. One of the most common myths is that skipping meals will put your body into starvation mode and slow your metabolism. Scientific studies actually show that short-term fasting can increase your metabolic rate by up to 14%. Myth 2. Intermittent fasting is a quick fix for weight loss. Sure, people lose weight while fasting, but it's not a magic bullet. You still need to watch what you eat during your feeding window. Filling up on junk food will undo all your hard work. Myth 3. Intermittent fasting is dangerous for everyone. Intermittent fasting isn't dangerous for most healthy people. However, there are certain groups like pregnant women, those with a history of eating disorders, and people with diabetes who should approach with caution. So, what does the science say? Well, intermittent fasting has been shown to lower insulin levels, increase human growth hormone, and may even extend lifespan, according to animal studies. There's also growing evidence that fasting can improve brain health and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Now, I know what you're thinking. Should I jump on this trend? Well, the truth is, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone, but if you feel comfortable with it and can maintain it without stress, it might be a useful tool. Remember, it's not about punishing your body. Listen to it. And if fasting fits your lifestyle, it could work wonders. So, is intermittent fasting a myth or a miracle? Well, it's a little bit of both. The key is to separate fact from fiction and find what works for you.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to click that like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe for more science-based health content. See you next time.